Okay, 1985 Camaro Z28 stock exhaust. And yes, I know it needs valve seals. That's the next project. That is a carbureted 5-liter, by the way. Okay, this will be the first time startup after a new fuel tank, fuel sending unit, new fuel filters. Hopefully it'll go ahead and start. No exhaust from the catalytic converter back. New exhaust. Hopefully this doesn't set off our alarm system. Hopefully it'll start. That sounds pretty good. Okay, here we are with the finished product. We have installed a 3-inch walker, a 15622, 3-inch ultra catalytic converter. There it is. We have a Magnaflow catback system, 16829. Be a 3-inch stainless tubing, intermediate pipe with a 5x8 by 18-inch muffler, and that goes into 3-inch or 3.5-inch stainless tips. See right there, it says Magnaflow right on the top. So we're gonna do a startup now. You can see what it, or hear what it sounds like. I did put a catalytic converter back on it, because honestly I didn't want it to be extremely loud. My goal was to have a car that would be pleasant to ride in, but when you got on it, would have a little of authority to it. So I'm pleased. It seems to be that's what I've got. So I'll start it up. There you have it. Pleased with this system.